Livington today, and that is our hotel room over there with those mountains at the back, and of course the river here. Isn't it so pretty? Bye, Toon. Good morning and bye. Good morning. So we are here in the station. We're heading to Zurich. But before that, we'll go to Lucerne first for a day and see the area. And I would just like to show you my background this morning. Livington with this view. I don't know how to close this up, but it's okay. You can see it. It's all mountains with snow, with snow on top of it. It's so pretty. This is Lern Station. There's another one, another floor, and exit, and there's another floor downstairs. Just make a turn. The restaurants, what else? Coffee shop, and more, all the way there. Okay, and that's it for Lern Station. So I am now in front of the Welcome Lucerne. Welcome Lucerne. And now we're going to explore Lucerne. We'll start just the old town. We'll just be walking around Lucerne. We'll just be walking here maybe for 2 hours. Just for 2 hours. And this is Lucerne. First stop is the Choco Bridge. Pero iba naman to si Darby. Doon tayo. Okay. We are on our way to the bridge, and we saw big fish here. See? There's a big fish. And I want to touch the water. Oh my gosh, super cold. Where's the fish? Where? Oh yeah. Big fish.
Sulat ka. Ayan.
Wala dito, nag-ano muna. And this is it for the Choco Bridge. And next stop is the Jesuit Church. We'll walk from there, go all the way around to the church. At the end of the Choco Bridge, there are like markets here, stalls selling vegetables. Oh wow! Flowers. Oh my gosh, look at the cheese, sweetheart. It's a lot of cheese. Bread. Oh wow. Fruits. Oh my gosh, look at the flowers. Nice. Oh my gosh, look at the vegetables, it are different kinds of vegetables. Huh? Lahat ng dahon na, sabi mo malunggay. Ang fresh talaga. Fresh talaga, no? Fresh talaga, sweetheart. No, you can tell it's fresh. Look at the color. Huh? Yung ano to, yung radish ba yan? Di ba beets yan? Radish. Ito yung bata eh. Cheese. Oh wow. Lamb and beef. So nice. More plants here. Wow. So these are the Swiss plants. Oh wow, a lot of olives, different olives. Aha, kasi.
Ich könnte mir vorstellen, die Grill, oder?
Wow.
Ganz schönes Wort.
Oh, breads. There are breads. More vegetables. Wow, look at the vegetables.
Aber hat dann auch gesagt, sie macht so eine Juti, sie heißt Juti. Was hat sie gesagt? Weiß ich noch mehr noch. Eine von den
Ang ganda, oh. I can tell it's fresh. Nuts. Meats. Ito mo yung manok yun si Tato, yung bantam. 940 isa. 940? Oh my gosh. 7 francs. Ano yun? Oh my gosh. Ha?
Ano, mura lang ito.
Magkano? 0.80 din. Isang peraso, 0.80 francs. Mahal pa rin yun. $1 isa. 50 pesos, mahigit. Oh my gosh. Wow, eggs are very expensive. Parang hindi tayo mabubuhay dito sa Clark. That is the Jesuit Church. We have to go. We do have to go there, or we just have a picture here. I don't want to walk. Anything? We'll check if the lion monument is by the other side or this side. If it's on that side, then we can go near to the church. But if it's not, then we just stay here. And now we're going to the lion monument, and from the chapel bridge, we'll pass by here in this shopping area. Nice. After how many minutes of walking? After 12 minutes of walking, we're finally here. It's a lion carved in the stone. It's Livington. Look for the lion. I don't know where is it, but I know I've seen it in the picture. It's carved in the stone. There you go. See? Tart, look. Look at the lion. It's carved.
Tatakpan natin yung liyan.
There are rumors that the sculpture was not paid before Mount Martin, and that's why we changed the shape. And the one is given to shapes. One with the right, and one with the close.
Let's try to check how it looks like on the side of the lion monument. See? My background is the lion monument. Let's check how it looks like here. And there's the story of the lion monument. 2 years to complete the massive lion, working in his studio in Rome. Danish and Bertel created the design for the monument, first under the supervision 1817 by the designs. Okay, here. So it was in Rome studio. This side. And this is the Church of
Saint Leo de Goa.
Church of Saint Leo de Goa. Nakipicture tayo sa target. That's Lucerne. At the mountains. Barco. Trees. It's springtime. Dark. Oh wow, it's pretty. The weather is perfect today. Sino picture tayo dito? And that ends our DIY walking tour here in Lucerne. Alright, say hi.
Bye!
Bye! With this nice background.